Hi, in this lesson, we're going to look at how strings can be turned into lists and vice versa. Let's dive in. We've been working with strings for a while now, which is a sequence of characters saved inside a variable. We can change a string into a list by surrounding the string variable with the word list and a set of parentheses. This will create a list where each character in the string is an item. For example, if we had our word yay and called the list function on the string, we would see a list with each separate character created. Now to turn the list back into a string, we would just cast that value to a string, right? Wrong. This will not work, but there is another way we can do this. The join method will take a list and combine the elements into a string. We specify a character that we want to use to join the elements, and then enter the list name inside parentheses. The given character will be added between each item when the list is joined. In this case, our list letters is simply each character that we want to combine in our back to word variable. Since we do not want to include any additional character between the letters, we will use an empty string as the character to call the join method on, and enter the list letters as the list variable in the method call. When we print this value, we will see that we get our original string back as it started. Now, we've been looking at strings that are just one word, but we can also have a string that's an entire sentence. The sentence contains multiple words. What if I wanted to separate the sentence into words rather than into individual letters? Can I do this? Yes, the split method is what we want to use to make this happen. When we call the split method on a string variable, it will split the string into items at each space in the string. So if I have my string sentence and I call the split method on it, when I print the new variable words, I will see that each word is now its own item in the list. Note that the spaces are now completely gone. I can also choose to split my string in other ways. If I don't include anything inside the parentheses, Python will automatically split the string at the space characters. But if I include an element inside the parentheses, Python will instead split the string at the noted element in the string. So if I had multiple sentences and I wanted to split the string into separate sentences, I could specify that I want the string to be split at the period character. Now I'll see that I have 3 items split where the period was. Note that the space character that followed the period is still included, but the period is not. What if I want to now add a sentence in between the others and then bring all the sentences back together into one string? Can I do this? Yes, I can use the join method here as well. Let's take a look. First, I'm using the split method to separate my text into items at the period character. Then I want to add a sentence at the second index value. Since words is now a list, I can use the insert method to do this. Then I'll use the join method and use a period as the joining element so that each sentence will end with a period. And when I print the text, I can see that I now have all of my text combined into one string. In this lesson, we learned how to turn strings into lists and lists into strings.